Hi, it's Lisa, Forever Clean Soap Works. I am making some soap today that I don't think I've made cold processed before and wanted to show you in case it locks up on me what I do. And I need my gloves. You know how I always forget. I think I have everything ready and I don't. Got my oil and my goat milk in here and I'm going to emulsify it. I don't put my goat milk in my lye water because it scorches. So I'll move down. Boy, you still can't see me. Hold on. Sorry. I'm using a different phone, and the reason is I tried it with my regular phone yesterday, and the sound didn't match the picture. You know how annoying that is? Very. So let me whip this up real quick. Yep, it just gets emulsified. You don't need to see my face. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can't see it. Let me see if I can move it closer so you can see. Almost, you can almost see it. Sorry. Okay. I am going to get my lye water in here. I soap at a fairly cool temperature. I should say barely warm. Sometimes I'll take the temperature and see what it is, but usually I just go by feel. Because y'all know me, I don't do anything normal. That looks weird in the bottom. It's all hard and crystallized. Okay. I haven't had that happen in a very, very long time. I have a whole piece of lye that stuck to the bottom. I'm going to show you this. Oops. I got gloves on. Look at that. Huh. And so, I'm going to break it up. I'm going to add a little bit of water and dissolve that. Because if I don't, I won't have enough lye in there to saponify my oils. That's quite a bit. I'm not sure why that happened, but it did. I think I didn't get it stirred properly, so there's a lesson for you. Make sure you stir it really well. And it's just about dissolved. Glad I saw that. I thought it looked weird on the bottom. See, you learned some lessons here. Things that you may not have seen before. And it's almost dissolved. Yeah, that only takes a minute. But I can still hear a little chunk of it. Just about. Tiny, tiny little piece left. Not worried about that little bit of extra water I put in there. A little extra water does not hurt it. A lot of extra water and you'll be letting it dry for quite a while. And it's totally dissolved now. So that goes in also. Glad I saw that. That would have been, I'd have been wondering why my soap was so soft. It would not have gotten properly saponified. All right. I am going to do a light trace on this because I want to see what this fragrance oil does to it. I'm going to put you on pause and move my camera. So Hang on. All right, I've moved. Wait, let there be light. Is it showing light? There's a little bit of light. There we go. Okay, I moved everything so you can see. This is a very light trace, very light. I'm not going to mix it any longer. Going to pour some in my little cups so I can mix in a little bit of color. This is without fragrance still. Colors mixed in really fast. I am using Mad Mica's Tahitian Teal. I only use Mad Mica colors. And there is a link, an affiliate link. If you click on that and purchase within 24 hours, I will get a small commission at no extra charge to you. I like Mad Mica's because they are vegan, they are ethical, they source from ethical companies, and their stuff is really good. Not just, you know, because I get it, because I have an affiliate link, but because I like them. And they have the best colors and the best names on those colors. I mean, really. Yeah, the other one I'm going to do is a little bit of Twilight. Twilight. It's a really pretty blue. Sorry, I'm like reaching right in front of you. Look at that blue. Oh, gorgeous. Has a little bit of a shimmer to it. Beautiful. Love it. Like always, I don't measure. I know. You want to know how much per pound? I don't know. Because I just kind of go by looks and, you know, mix it up, and when I put it in there, it looks good. Every batch is different. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Here we go. This is Nag Champa from Nature's Garden. Let's see what happens when I pour it in. So far it's doing nothing. Can you, oh, you can't see it. I'll move these over just a little. And so far it's doing nothing. No ricing, no acceleration, absolutely nothing. Love it. So I am going to just swirl in my blue. Yep, I just throw it in. And I get some of the best looking soaps on the planet just by throwing it in there. I know that sounds weird, but it's true. It is true. Now for my Tahitian Teal. Throw that in. I should say this is for an order. I have had this customer ordering this for years. She likes to buy and use a lot of this. So I say good for her. Oh, look at that. We didn't have any issues. So yay. Now your recipe may cause an issue, but my recipe did not. And I'm very pleased. Very, very pleased. And I'm gonna pour it in my molds. I'm using round molds just to be different. And I got some soap on me. feel the tingle. I'm not lie. I will wash that in just a minute. Trust me, it's not bad. I mean, it's a tiny little bit. Okay. My round molds. Here we go. Can you see that color in there as I'm pouring it? Look at that. Beautiful. It will be a very, very pretty soap when they come out. The thing with doing it like this, oh my gosh, when you look at the sides, it will be so pretty. I'm going to show you right now. Hold on, I will hold it up and you can kind of see it through it, the side. Oh, I did spill it. Oh, you can't see it too well, but it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Scoop that back in there. Hey, there we go. Yes, I made a mess. I should say, when don't I make a mess? I always make a mess. I'm not sure I know how to soap without making a mess. It's just how I do it. And you can see how pretty this is. That one. These two. I put a little bit too much in there. I'm going to scoop it off the top. It's hard to pour from the big old bucket. I could have put it in a different container, but then I have to wash another container. And it's not the actual process of washing that bothers me. It's that I have to go downstairs to the basement to get everything washed. I can't wait to see how these come out. These colors are so beautiful. I like the randomness of it. I mean, some people, they want it to be a certain way, but I like the randomness. You pour it in and, you know, however it comes out, that's what your soap is going to look like, and it's just nice. It's a nice surprise. You get a beautiful soap. Oh gosh, did it again. I'll fix it. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. I am down to the last little bits, so I am going to take my spatula and scoop the little bits that's on the side because it's color, and scoop that down inside because I need to pour the last little bit in here. That way the last bits will have some color. See, that has some color on it too. I'm pleased that this came out and didn't do anything wonky, because you never know if it's a fragrance that you've not used before in cold process. You never know. Sometimes you get a big surprise. I have been surprised so many times, and not always pleasantly. turn the bucket around because I gotta pour that last bit out and scrape as I go. So if you ever want to use Nag Champa from Nature's Garden, it worked excellent in my cold process soap, so chances are you'll have a good experience. Boy, that was perfect because I had planned on 20 soaps and that's what I got, 20 soaps. I'm going to top off a couple of these that I poured. It's just a smidge short. And then I'm going to let them sit so they set up just a little bit before I carry them to my drying room, because my drying room is across the whole entire store. And I messed them up just moving them on the table, so I don't want to walk across the store with them just yet. We'll let them set up a little bit. Okay. Just cleaning up the edges here. Everything looks excellent. That's it. Oh my gosh. That came out nice. Let me get a paper towel here. Sorry about my armpit. Gosh. Yes, very pleased. Very, very pleased. So, like I said, Nag Champa, it's a good one. I'm going to let these sit, and they will have to sit overnight to saponify, and then I will remove them from the mold, and they'll sit for 4 weeks. Sometimes 6. It depends on how humid and how quickly they dry, but minimum of 4 weeks. Yeah, these are going to be some pretty soaps. I think my customer will be pleased. I will be pleased too. Sorry, I'm just looking at the sides. Oh my gosh, they are so excellent. Okay, I gotta take the phone out of that thing and I gotta show you some of these sides. You're gonna love this. Okay, hold on. I'm not putting you on pause. I'm just gonna take you out of here. Okay. Can you see that? No, you can't. Oh, there we go. Gosh, look at that. There's some pretty stuff up underneath there. I mean, it'll look better tomorrow when I take them out, but there's some pretty stuff up underneath there. So anyway, okay, I'm done. I will talk to you soon. I have been trying to make videos, and like I said, my phone has been messing up every single time. Every single time. So I gave up on that, and I got my old phone out, and my old phone works great. And here's the weird thing. I'm looking at myself, and my eyes aren't matching where I'm supposed to be looking at you. Oh, the things when you're doing a video. All right, I will talk to you soon. Happy soaping. Bye.